So I just picked up this 5 amp hour Powerstack from a pawn shop yesterday for 70 Canadian dollars. It works just fine. However, the battery indicator light does not function at all. So I simply desoldered it from the board. By the way, this battery is very much glued into the casing. I was using electrical contact cleaner and just spraying it into the bottom or into the sides, the gaps in the case. While prying with like the plastic pry tools there for phones, and that's how I got it out of the case. But mostly melting all the glue with this was very helpful. 6-pin chip that is on the display board, which I believe would be this guy right here. So I actually managed just to solder the LED chip board from a flexible battery onto the Powerstack. Just with some speaker wire, and then I'm just gonna insulate it and probably run the wires just through here and then glue it on the outside. That's probably the fix I'll do. It was cheap, so I don't feel like it's worth going through warranty or anything like that. It doesn't take too long to do this fix, as long as you have the parts. You can also buy these LED indicator boards for very cheap on like AliExpress and stuff like that. Same with the casings, because I have plenty of stuff to refurbish other batteries if the need be. So this is basically just right before I put the top of the battery back on. I did put a thin layer of glue gun glue on the PCB just so that it doesn't actually short, but it should be good like this.